Hello children, welcome back once again to the English online classes. In our last class, we were studying the lesson A Soldier's Son and we completed till para 20. The story is about a Makbul and his bravery, and he saw a plane shot by enemy fire and the pilot parachuted down from the flaming plane. When the Makbul asked if he could help, the pilot asked him to deliver a pocket of papers to the commanding officer of the army unit at Air Force Station Ambala. Boy went to deliver the packet of papers to the commander, and that time commander asked so many questions like, to whom? To Makbul. He was asking the questions like, who are you and why you want to meet me, like etc. He asked. Commander officer asked to the Makbul. For that the Makbul replied like, he was the son of soldier and his name is Makbul Bhatt. He explained all the situations, how the plane crashed and what was the instructions he got from the injured pilot. Next, what happened we will see in the para 21. I will read out the paras first, then I will explain it to you. 21 para. Son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? My father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. Son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? Whatever the informations the boy Makbul get from the wounded pilot, he tried hard to convey that message to the commander, and commander was shocked about the Makbul's bravery, and he asked. He was little amazed of Makbul's bravery, and he said, son, weren't you scared of the enemy? Because if he caught, then his life will be in trouble or he also get injured. Then the Makbul replied, my father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. For that, the Makbul replied, and what a powerful statement, he said, never afraid of enemy. Makbul's father used to say these words to the Makbul when he was alive. The meaning of this sentence, they can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. If God permits, then only they can kill me. That is his belief, that is Makbul's belief. And this sentence is told by his father. My father told me never to be afraid of if our number is not written on the bullet. No one can do anything harm. The real soldier always fight till his last breath, last minute of death. If he afraid, if he does so, he is not a real soldier. This explanation is given by the Makbul to the commander when he asked, son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? 22nd paragraph. Good. You are indeed the brave son of a brave soldier. Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? This was asked by commander. Now the commander officer replying to the brave Makbul, you are a brave boy. You are a brave son of a brave soldier. Now tell me whether the injured pilot get caught by the enemy. Did they find him? What has happened with him? He asked. Who? Commander to the Makbul. Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? The commander was asking like these questions to the Makbul. And the meaning of indeed is Nijwaglu. You are indeed the brave son of a brave soldier. Moving on to the next paragraph, that is 23rd. I don't know sir. I couldn't wait to see. I had to carry out my orders first. I know where he fell. I also know where the enemy lines are. I can guide you to it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat. We must go at once, sir. The enemy came on foot. If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. The meaning of intercept is disallow. Obstruct means tadehidi. And the meaning of retreat is himmettu, an act of moving back. Retreat means that is an act of moving back, and intercept means tadehidi athwa in English it is disallow. Let's see the meaning of this paragraph. I don't know, sir. I couldn't wait to see. I had to carry out my orders first. I know where he fell. I also know where the enemy lines are. Now, what the boy is explaining to the commander. Sir, when he asked to Makbul, has the enemy caught the pilot? He replied, I don't know because I couldn't wait to see. Why because? Because the wounded pilot asked him to run for your life after giving the packet of paper. So that the boy is replying to commander, I couldn't wait to see. I had to carry out the orders first. So when he has given me a packet of paper and asked me to run for my life, so I started running towards the army camp, and I know where the injured pilot fell, and I also know where the enemy lines are. I can guide you to it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat. We must go at once, sir. The enemy came on foot. If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. And he said, one more important thing is, he knows that enemy came on foot, not on any vehicle. So, if you are taking your jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. And I will also show you a shortcut way by which you can intercept. Means you can disallow to the enemy and cut off their retreat. Means moving back. So like this the boy explained. Twenty-fourth paragraph. Instructions noted, sir. Action will be taken. Smiled the commanding officer. Like that, commander officer also saluted towards the Makbul's instruction. It means an officer is giving too much respect to the boy who is showing patriotism towards the country. Dear students, by the story we came to know about the boy Makbul and his bravery. And one day what happened? The boy Makbul was watching. He saw that plane crash. He saw that a plane was falling down towards the earth, and before the plane crashed, he saw a man, a pilot, jump out of the fiery object. How he jumped, students? Yes, by the parachute. While he was watching, meantime, one mushroom-like structure. Mushroom, they are expressing here the structure of mushroom. The shape of parachute is like mushroom, they express so, which was coming down to the earth. With the help of the parachute, pilot came out. The pilot was coming down to earth. He landed the ground. He wounded badly. Why? Because the plane was crashed by the enemy. Attack. As soon as the boy Makbul watched that injured pilot, that pilot fallen down to the ground, he suddenly rushed towards the pilot. Then pilot warned to the Makbul to escape from that place because that would be risk for him and he will be in trouble because there is a enemy force there. They will approach him anytime. It's better to run from that place, he suggested to the Makbul, because he also wanted to save that small child's life because he was just 10 or 12 years old. There is an army unit nearby, and after that the soldiers tried to stand, but he couldn't because he was badly injured. Not even He was not even able to take 2 or 3 steps because he was injured. Pilate realizes that he cannot walk, so he asked to the Makbul to help him. And the boy said he will definitely help to the Pilate. He will ready to do whatever work he will assign to that boy. He was just small, but still his feelings towards the nation is very strong. And the Pilate said not to take his life in risk, but what he did, he is a soldier's son. The patriotism is within his blood itself. So he said he will do whatever work he will assign to him. He convinced the Pilate. After that, after the hearing the small boy's words, his patriotism, the Pilate became happy. Then the Pilate asked him to deliver packet of papers to the commanding officer of the army. It at Air Force Station, which is in Ambala. And he said that that work should done today night itself. He handed over that packet by saying these words. He said, make sure that you ask. When he reached the army camp, he tried to meet the commander officer and he met. Then commander officer, he started asking, who are you? Why you want to see me? Why you want to meet me? So many questions he asked. For that he replied that he was the son of soldier. He is the son of soldier. He is soldier's son. And he explained all the situation, what and all happened with him, and he saw a plane crash and the pilot came out from that plane crash and what he informed and what he asked help. He said that to deliver the packet of paper to the commander officer, that job he is doing, that what the assigned, that pilot assigned the work to the boy. He is doing that work for the nation, to save the nation from the enemies attack. So after that he explained all about him. So for that commander appreciated, like he is a very brave boy. Then the commander explained, said to the Makbul to you. The commander officer as well the pilot. Then the commander officer instructed him to go back to home. Your mother will be worried about you. So for that Makbul refused because he wanted to save his nation. And here that I was born, he said, and nurtured. My father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land. So he is showing here loyalty. Next part we will continue the same thing in our next class.